In this video, we are going to understand how you can extend and modify the loan card or deposit card. Okay, so I'm going to search a customer here. I click loan and then I enter amount, rate of interest, interest with principal for 100 days. Then let's say loan given was in March, that is on 1st March, and installment start from 1st March. Okay, I just click calculate, installment 110. I click save. Loan 61 is created. I search loan 61 here and then I can see installment tracker. Okay, from 1st March. Okay, now on 23rd March there was a lockdown decided. Okay, and the lockdown was till, let's say, for 20th May. Okay, or 18th May. Okay, whatever it is. So now what we want to do, we want to arrange the loan card in such a way that this date and all further dates will be cascaded by the number of days. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just click this. Okay, and then I will come here and I will say now this date, change this date to 18th May. It will tell me that change 61, that is loan number dash 23 installment, that's the installment I selected, and onwards, I mean remaining installment by 56 days. Okay, I click this. Are you sure to modify this? Yes. So please remember 61-23. Okay, so I click saved. Now let's see what will happen here. I click installment tracker again, 61-23. Okay, so this is changed to 18th May, then 19th May, 20th May, and then this was till 23rd March. Now the question is about what about the interest in between those dates. So what you can do is you can still select this 18th May and the interest which was 10, you can modify that manually and adjust it based on whatever decision you take. So let's say I change it to 100 and update installment. Okay, so what will happen, the interest which was 1000 will become to 1019 now, 1090. Okay, so I search 61 here, then the interest is 1090, principal will remain same, and that's how this is the collection. Now if you see installment here, then the installment which is starting, it will, the interest will be 100 here. Okay, and so the collection which has to happen for 18th May is this much. Now if customer decides no, interest cannot be this, like installment has to be 110 only, what you can do, you can select change back to 10 and select last installment and add the interest there. Okay, so in nutshell the impact will be same actually. Okay, but only thing is instead of adding that installment interest in that installment, you actually added it to the last installment. Okay, so this is the uh, update on this. Now one more feature is extend. Now let's say for 99 installments. Okay, so let's see 200 less for the total amount, so let's say 200 less, so it's going to be 11,000, so 10,800 and 10,710. Let me see. I mean 10,710. Okay, so total due is 380. Now I want to take 180 from here. Okay, now total due is 200 for one installment. Now let's try to see here. All the installments are green and only last installment is this. Now let's say if customer uh, if you want to extend the installment further, okay, let's say you want to collect more interest from here, what you can do is you can just select this and extend install this by, let's say, two installments. Okay, extend and yes. Now what will happen, let me just refresh the installment tracker. What has happened here, your interest is this. Okay, because when you extended this you kept the interest part here. Okay, now there will not be any change in the principal because principal cannot be changed actually. Always, even though you try to modify the principal, it will adjust the principal. Okay, principal cannot be more than what actually you paid to borrower. Okay, so whatever you want to do adjustment, it will always be in the interest part. Okay, or you can add a penalty. So what I can do is manually I can just go and change this back to this and this back to, let's say, 50, whatever. I mean, I'm just giving the demo, so just entering any number here. Okay, and that's how it will be modified. Okay, now why this schedule is important, because this is very useful when your collection staff will do collection through mobile. Mostly in microfinance or in daily finance, the collection is done through mobile in Jainam software. So they will come to know on this specific date, automatically on the collection staff's mobile, 10 rupees or 10 amount will be shown as due. On this date it will 50, and on this due it will be 200. Okay, now same will happen in case of deposit. I click deposit here. Now this recurring deposit, I want to do 100 per installment. I want to give, like, let's say 5% per annum as a interest, and for 100 I select day and started from 1st March. Calculate. Okay, so total collection is going to be 10,000. So this is a RD of 10,000. I click save and RD 16 is created. I search 16 D-16 and then I click installment tracker and the same thing. Okay, on 18th March I want to change it to, or sorry, 23rd March I want to change it to 18th May. So same concept. Okay, 18th May, change, yes, and this will be changed here. So installment 31, or here this one, 18th May, this one. Okay, 23rd is changed to 18th May. Okay, now in deposit it will show you the cumulative interest earning actually. Okay, now for example, let's say customer has paid 5,000. Okay, so I received this 5,000. Now what will happen, you will immediately come to know that 17.47 interest is earned by customer on the deposited amount. Okay, and what you can do is in maturity pay, it will show this much interest is earned, 17 point whatever it is, like 16. If I search 16, sorry, that's the loans, I search loan D-16, and then a maturity pay this much amount. Okay, what you can do is you can just pay whatever you received and interest also. So pay this on this date, I am paying this, and then close that RD. Okay, if we can just check here, then remaining installments are made 0, and then if you see transaction, and then you can see that interest earned is this much, and 5,000 customer paid, and 5,017.47 you paid as a return, and hence total balance is 0. Okay, and then deposits, the RDs can also be done through mobile. The collection can be done through mobile. There are so many other features. What I recommend is you just watch Jainam Software, because automated accounting, digital transactions, all that stuff you can watch in different videos. So what I tried to cover in this video is the, the concepts implemented recently for the extent, change specific installment, and then change the installments for cascaded effect. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.